Hi there, welcome back to the channel. This straightforward video tutorial will show you how to unhide all rows in Excel. To start, open up your worksheet where you want to work on. As you can see on my screen, number 7 is hidden. So to unhide it, we select the row before and after the hidden rows. That's number 6 and number 8 row. Then you go to or you click format in the home tab. You click on format, then you click on the visibility section, you click on hide rows. Now you can see the number 7 is now back to the sheet. Now to unhide all rows in Excel, you do the same thing. Let's hide all the rows here. You click on visibility, click on format, then hide rows. You can see the rows have been hidden. Now to unhide them, you click on the two rows before and after, formats, hide and unhide, then you select unhide rows and it has been displayed back to the screen. So that's it guys, you have successfully unhidden all rows in Excel. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next video.